Hi everyone, I'm Dr. S. Samudha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Uh, Now discuss the concept Python using the data types. The data type it's to identify what or the data type is using and why we using the data types in your programming languages. The main thing is you create if you want to creating a variable with the help of a data type to allocating a memory spaces, the normally programming languages. Similarly, here also available it's a dynamic usage, that is dynamically typed programming language. The data type inbuilt, they identify the data types based on the assigned values in your Python. Now the data type is to create a container. How to create a container means with the help of a data types based on a values. Here the main important is to allocating a memory spaces to store a value. And Python is a dynamically typed, because of there is no data type is specify the coding at the time of running time, only they identify the type. That is at the time of execution is to identify the data type. For example, a equal to 5. The 5 is a integer value. Now the a is a integer data type. There is no specify any data type. Built-in data types in Python. The data type is in your Python as many inbuilt data type is available. For example, text type, numeric data types, sequence, boolean, set types, binary types, no none types. They have multiple data types available. For example, text type is to creating a text variable. For example, str. Numeric data type is integer, float, double. Those are all the numeric data types. Sequence data type is, it is like a array, that is list, tuple, range, these are all things. Mapping is the type and dict to match the type. And set type is set and frozen set. Boolean type is it's a true or false. For example, bool, you represent as a bool. And binary type is bytes, byte array, memory view. It is a binary bytes. There is bytes is a bits. It's a bits consideration. None type is there is no data type is specification. These are all the built-in data types. Now elaborately we discussed one by one. Now the text type, it is the text type is using to store the sequence of character or Unicode within a double quotes or single quotes. This is the text type. For example, name equal to allies. Allies in a two-way within double quotation, either you use a single quotes. This is the declaration with initialization. Now you display the character as print of name. Just directly to display whatever you initialize the value they displayed. Allies. A is capital letter LICE. Just print of name means. For example, print of name dot upper means all character should be converted into a uppercase letter. Numeric types. The second data type is numeric types. These are three things is already discussed: integer, float, and it is complex. Integer is a whole number. For example, age equal to 25. The 25 whole number is assigned to a age. Float is a whole number with decimal point followed by a fractional number is a floating number. And complex is a m equal to 3 plus 4j. It is a complex number representation. The next one is a boolean type. It is a bool is a data type. It's represent either true or false. Your one variable, they store either a 0 or 1. 1 means true, 0 means false. For example, is underscore active equal to true. We already discussed the naming rules. Your one variable, they beginning with underscore or in between underscore, it is acceptable. The number is beginning with number or any other symbol, ampersand, dollar, it's an invalid statement. This is a valid statement. Equal to true, assign a true value, that is equal to 1. Similarly, they using print of 5 greater than 3. They check condition. Greater than is a relational operator. 5 greater than 3, the condition is true. Now print 1. This is the Boolean type value. Indirectly, they using a bool type, that is print of 5 greater than 3. Sequence type, that is 3 type is available: list, tuple, and then range. List, that is mutable and ordered collection. For example, fruit of, within a square bracket you specify within double quotation values, it is a string, or 10 comma 20 is a integer, 10.1 comma 10.2 is a float values. This is the list. It is similar to an array. It's starting with indexes 0, 1, 2 similarly. And next one is a tuple. It is also a ordered collection, point of 4 comma 5. And it is a tuple representation. And range is a sequence of number of range of 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a range is 5. And the next is a mapping type. It is using the dict, DIT. It is a using a pair of values. That is, for example, student equal to within a curly braces. There is mapping using a curly brace. That is within a quotes name colon Bob. Name is a variable and Bob is a value. And age is a value, and age equal to, sorry, Bob is value and age is a variable, 20 is a value. It is a pair of values. And print student of name means it's display Bob. For example, print student of age means 20. This is the display statement of a mapping. And then another type is set type. It is a set or frozen set. They using a color, for example, color equal to, within double quotation you specify as a red, green and blue. And the 3 colors is a sequence numbers. And the frozen set is a immutable sets. It's creating frozen set of 1, 2, 3. And within a function parenthesis, after that square bracket, you specify the 1, 2, 3. The next data type is binary types. Bytes, byte array and memory view. That is a 3 types of binary type is available. It helps to creating a binary data types. For example, B equal to bytes of 5. That is bytes of 5 is stored in B. BA is a bytes array. It's creating a byting array. 1, 2, 3. That is 0, 1 and 2. MV equal to memory view. It is of B is stored. And a none type is there is absence of a value without representing any variable or data types. It's only a value is called as a none type. Thank you.